Today, Sarah and I are going to make some rigatoni with Cavolo Nero. This is this beautiful Tuscan kale. Here, we have already grated some pecorino. It's not a pecorino romano, it's like a Tuscan pecorino. And we're going to finish off our dish with the pecorino. The center rib here can be a bit tough, so you can simply take it off by just sliding your thumb and index finger right down. Sometimes I will still cut it up nice and thin and put it in a soup. So again, we're gonna do this to all of them. We washed it thoroughly, and then I'm gonna gather it all up, and then with my knife, cut it into chunks about this big. Some of the more tender ribs we left in there because I actually like them. Our water is boiling and it's salted, and we're gonna drop the Cavolo Nero right in here, and it will definitely reduce a lot. And we will keep it in here for about a good 5 minutes, probably more like 8 minutes from the time it starts boiling. Then on the side, I have a pot with water and ice in it, and we will take it out so that we can retain this beautiful, vibrant green. While the Cavolo Nero is boiling, we're gonna put the pine nuts in here, and we're going to toast them in the oven. Once in a while, we'll just shake the pan. All we're doing is toast them a little bit and allow the oils from the pine nuts to come out and give it even a much more intense flavor. Give it a quick shake. You can see that the oil is starting to come out, and you make sure that you don't over toast them, otherwise they might become bitter. Our Cavolo Nero is ready. We'll place it right into this cold water, and that really will allow the color to stay nice and vibrant. And it will be right in this water where we'll put the pasta, the rigatoni. If some of the Cavolo Nero remains inside, it doesn't matter because it's all gonna be mixed together. The rigatoni go in. We'll give it a quick stir. While the oven is still hot, we're gonna put some olive oil right in here. We chopped some of this garlic. We'll place that in there as well. And also gonna add some heat. We can actually put just a whole dried pepper, but we're also gonna add just a few pepper flakes. Place this in the oven, and then it is here that we're going to put the Cavolo Nero. We brought the pan in with the garlic, and now in here we're going to put the Cavolo Nero, and as soon as the pasta is done, it will all be combined together. Where this is such a wonderful power green. I'm going to salt it just a bit, and our pasta is al dente, and we will transfer it right in here with a bit of its water, because we're going to give it another minute or so with the Cavolo Nero to finish cooking and for all the flavors to marry. So a good ladleful or two of the cooking water. We will give it a good toss. And the best is yet to come. We're going to add the cheese, and oh my goodness, this is going to be an amazing meal. Here is our pecorino Toscano, and we're going to put it all on top. And while it's nice and hot, we're going to stir it up. The cheese will melt right into it. And at the very top, we're also going to spread some of these pinoli, these pine nuts that have been toasted. And this is just a wonderful final touch with a bit of olive oil. Look at this, un bel giro d'olio, and a nice squirt of fresh lemon juice. Oh, I wish you were here to try it with us. It is so delicious. So now, the best is yet to come, and that is to serve a nice bowl of it. There we go. Look at this beautiful, wonderful plate And on top here, we're still going to shave some of the pecorino right on top. An additional drizzle of olive oil. And now we get to try it. And we are going to encourage you to make it, and at the same time wish you un buon appetito.